Every color is a type of light, but the colors that we see is VIBGYOR: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, the colors of the rainbow. But there are also colors that we cannot see. These colors are called infrared and ultraviolet rays. It is not humanly possible to see these colors, but reptiles and amphibians like snakes and bullfrogs can see them. It's visible to them. So today we're going to be learning about infrared sensors. These are electrical components that are used in building stuff like robots and automatic cars. So let's learn more about them. Okay, so now I'm going to be explaining how we see colors. So I have my sun, the VIBGYOR, the surface, and my eyes right here, seeing the surface. So VIBGYOR comes to the surface and some colors get absorbed while some reflect. So here we can say that all the colors got absorbed except for red. So the red reflects and therefore we see the color red. The same thing happens with other colors. The colors which reflect, we see them, and the colors which don't, we don't see them. Now the question is, what happens if all the colors reflect? So when the VIBGYOR hits the surface and all the colors reflect, we see white. Now the question is, what happens if all the colors get absorbed? So when VIBGYOR hits the surface and all the colors absorb, nothing reflects. So we see the color black. So now there are two bulbs. One is the transmitter and the other is the receiver. So both of them are being connected to a red bulb right here. And if the receiver receives nothing, then the red bulb is going to start glowing. And if the receiver receives something, then the red bulb is not going to glow. Okay, so for an example, I've taken a white paper and put it on top of the receiver and transmitter. So the transmitter now goes to the white, and since it reflects everything, it comes back to the receiver. Therefore, the red bulb will not glow. Okay, now I have taken a black paper or surface and put it on top of the transmitter and receiver. Now the transmitter is gonna go to the black surface and it's gonna absorb everything, so nothing comes back, and therefore the receiver is gonna send a message for the red bulb to glow. Okay, so right here I have my infrared sensor. This is the transmitter and then this is the receiver, and then this is the light, and I put a little black paper just so that you can see the light glowing and not glowing easily. Okay, so now we're gonna see if this works. Alright, so I have a pure white paper. I'm gonna put it on top of the infrared sensor, and according to the theory, the light should not be glowing because the receiver gives it a message. Okay, so here it goes. Okay, so you can see it stopped. It's not glowing anymore. Look, this is glowing and it's not glowing. So what happens is that it hits the white surface, all the colors get reflected, and then it comes to the receiver. So since the colors got reflected, the light here should not be glowing. So it works with the white paper. Let's see if it does with black. So now I have a pure black paper, and I am gonna put it on top of the transmitter, the IR infrared sensor, and the light should still go on. It should glow. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, it's glowing. So yeah, what happens here is that when the transmitter hits the black surface, the solid black surface, everything gets absorbed and nothing comes down. So the receiver knows now that he has to send a message to the light bulb right here, saying that since everything got absorbed, you gotta start glowing. So yeah, it totally works. And just in case if you're wondering what happens when there's nothing on top of the infrared sensor, it's default and the light just goes on. So if I put the white paper again, the light stops to glow, and if I remove it, the light still goes on. So yeah. Okay, so using this theory of the infrared sensor, I'm gonna be making a line follow robot. So you gotta stay tuned to my channel so that you know how to make a line follow robot. And see, thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, like and share this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments box below.